Shalom to you, and in this video I want to go over problem number 23 from your review packet. Hope that will help you solve other problems. So here we're asked to find BD. BD is this segment X, so let's write it here. So BD is equal to X plus 14, and so once we find the value of X, we come here and substitute, and then we find BD. So let's see how we can use segment addition postulate to write equations. AB plus BC is equal to AC. So AB plus BC equals AC. So solve for BC. We want to find BC because we don't know BC here. So subtract AB from both sides. We subtract AB from both sides. So BC is going to equal AC minus AB. Okay, and now we substitute what we have. We have AC, which is X plus 15, minus we have AB, which is X plus 10. Now you have to be careful here because, okay, the first one, it's okay. X plus 15 is okay. For this subtraction, when you subtract anything, you add the opposite of it. So we are adding the opposite of X plus 10. So we are going to actually distribute this negative into each term. You distribute to every term. So it's going to come out to negative. It's like -1, assuming like there's -1 here. So I'll just write it in for 2. So -1 times X is -X, and -1 times 10 is -10 also. So a lot of people make this mistake. So try to distribute the negative. So then that will give us BC is equal to, we collect like terms here. So X, positive X minus -X crosses out. So that crosses out. And then we have 5 and 10 would give us, and -10 will give us 5. So BC is actually 5. So therefore, from here to here will be 12. Because 5 plus 7 will be 12. And we have an equivalent expression here. So let's write it down. So we have now BD is equal to X plus 14, which is equal to 12. Okay, so we subtract 14 from both sides. So X is going to equal -2. And then that we know what X is, we come up here and, oops, that's bad. We come up here and then do -2 for X plus 14. And that will give us the BD that we are looking for, which is 12. Okay, so hope that helps. Again, whenever you are subtracting an expression that has more than one term, you have to distribute to each of the term. Okay, multiply it. All right.